What if I told you that cozy, soul-warming comfort food doesn't have to break the bank? You know that feeling, right? When it's getting cold outside and all you want is a big bowl of something nourishing and warm. Well, today I'm showing you how to make 3 delicious vegan soups that are so budget friendly. Each recipe feeds 4 to 6 people under $5 total. That's less than $1 per serving. First up, we're making a cozy classic, budget-friendly vegan chickpea noodle soup. It's hearty, soothing, and perfect for feeding the whole family without breaking the bank. A good budget tip is to reuse jars. Whenever I purchase items in a jar, I clean them out and save them to use later. Whatever broth that's left over, I store in my glass jars. You can also use them for items like dry goods and sauces. I cook my noodles separately until al dente. Set them aside and only add them to the bowl when serving. Then I ladle the hot veggie broth over. This keeps the pasta from getting soggy even when reheating. And just like that, you've got a cozy bowl of vegan chickpea noodle soup, perfect for the whole family. It's simple, nourishing, and comes together in no time. Okay, if you're a fan of creamy soups, you're gonna fall in love with this next one. It's a hearty, creamy potato soup that's rich and velvety, but completely vegan. The secret to getting that creamy chowder texture is to blend half of the soup once the potatoes are done. It thickens it up and gives you that perfectly creamy soup texture. If you're loving these budget-friendly soups, you'll definitely want to check out my brand new Plant Some Pennies meal plan. It's packed with affordable, delicious recipes just like these, all for under $5 total. I break down the cost, give you meal prep tips, and even show you how to turn leftovers into brand new meals so nothing goes to waste. You can grab it right now through the link below and start saving money while eating plant-based. Finally, we're finishing strong with a smoky sweet potato black bean soup. This is the perfect blend of sweet and savory and is so incredibly filling. Now I have a question for you. Which one of these soups are you most excited to try first? Let me know in the comments. If you're enjoying this video and you want to see more recipes that are delicious, nourishing, and easy on your wallet, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any more recipes. And next week, I'm taking a $2 bag of potatoes and making it into 5 different meals. You won't want to miss that one. I'm Rosa, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.